Hi, and welcome back. This is Rob Thomas, your Everything Microsoft Enterprise Cloud Architect. And today I'm going to cover a very fun section where I'm going to walk you through setting up your free Azure account. So without further ado, let me go ahead and thank our sponsor, and that is our software dudes, Enterprise Software Solution. These guys are great. Highly recommend them for all your future Azure, Microsoft 365, Copilot, Microsoft Dynamics, Power BI, Windows Server, Microsoft SQL Server products. These guys are great. You can see their large portfolio of customers. I work with them. Highly recommend to use them. They're great on this journey. They're open 24 hours. They have 24-hour support. Just a great, lovely team. And let's go ahead and get started. All right. So today we covered. I explained to you what a free account is. I explained to you the initial 30-day free account, the $200 credit. I also walked through services, like how do you get the 65 plus services? How does that, how does the pay as you go work? And then walk you through the calendar. Spend a lot of time on the calendar because it's important that you don't want to get hit with any hidden cost charges while you're doing evaluation, while you're doing some testing. So let's just walk through the first step. I'm going to set up my new account. So let me go to here, and you can see I have an account. And basically just go to portal.azure.com. I'd click here, open this up first, and then log in. And once I log in, I'll just put in portal.azure.com. It'll go through like, okay, these steps, let me in, and then I'll get to this page. Then I'm going to click on this start button. And the start button is going to take me to this page, right? Same page I was showing you, free account. Things look good. I want to click on this, and it's going to take me to this sign-up page. And then this sign-up page is where you're just going to put in all of your information. So you can see here is where, let me just go back to my slide, is where I took a screenshot. And you can see set up with John Doe. So now, just remember, when you're going to set this up, you're going to go click this button, like use a different number to verify my identity. So I'll click that. Text me, it'll text me, I'll authenticate. And this is going to identify verification by card. So just kind of record in their system. This is master data management behind the scenes, but kind of you want to see the whole screen. But master data management behind the scenes. Salesforce has their own MDM solution. And basically MDM solution is just capturing your profile information. It's stored there. It's very secure. You can have them remove it or anything like that. Once you're done, here it texts you verify by phone. You fill out all your information. You're going to click that next button, right? And then you're going to go to, let's go to the next slide. Then you're going to come to the lovely, dreaded credit card information page. So let's kind of make this a little bigger. You can see the whole thing. You're going to fill out your credit card information. I just put John Doe for this. Put my card number. I actually put my real name, my card number, my information, this, and then I just click sign up. And then after that, you're done, right? You're signed up. And then you're going to see a page that looks like, not this. So you'll come to this page. You're ready to start using Azure. So you're ready to go. You can click on your on-demand videos, learn how to get started quickly. You're set. So your credit card is in there. You're in the system and you get 30 days of free services, right? Now this, I showed you this, but this is a little bit better page you can see. And my notification isn't up anymore, but it was a second ago where you could see, where are you? Right here. You could, oh, sorry, it's right here. You can see the notifications where it's like, you subscribe, you have $200 remaining, blah, 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 which is cool, right? So this is kind of a better screen you could see of, oh, here's my free service for 12 months. Like after my 30 days, I don't use that $200 credit. I just need to make sure I can spin up a VM, a Linux virtual machine. I can spin up an Azure store, blog. So as I was mentioning earlier, previous video, like these are some free things you get. This is why I highly recommend using this tool. And this is me getting so passionate. Is because, oh my God, you get all this free stuff. Like you just get in here and start doing things. And you don't have to wait, right? And you're just being conscious, like, hey, I don't want to exceed these limits because I'm going to incur a cost after my 30 days. So I'm just kind of sharing this journey. Like you're ready. I'm ready to go. Like I got this. I'm ready to go back to like this section, right? So this is before I set up. That's what it looks like before. And now if I refresh the screen, it should remove some things, right? Just kind of give it a second. But this is me just like showing you live what that journey looks like. We went in, we set everything up, we're ready to go, right? It's showing you my $200 credit. It removed those two bands, right? And then, so I did videos. So now I need to do some videos on like, how do I spin up a virtual network, right? Now we're ready to go. The create button is now available. I can click create and then just start the process of spinning up a virtual network for free, right? Now in a future video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this. I am going to come back here and show you how to create a virtual network, how to create a virtual machine. I've showed you some of this app registration, stuff like that. I'm going to show you just how to do some cool stuff in here. I just wanted to, and that's why I was waiting. I spent a lot of time covering a lot of videos, explaining the concepts in 5 minutes, each item. So you have a baseline of what it is, why you use it, right? How you can get value out of this. And then, next couple of videos is going to be like showing you how to do all of these things. Again, I wanted to end with this note. Definitely please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Before you go, I wanted to leave you with this note. Again, because I'm stressing this very, very heavily. The reason why you're using Azure over other tools like Bluehost, GoDaddy, Cloudways, I love Cloudways. The reason why you're using Azure, anything Microsoft, is because Microsoft natively has all their applications and services, right? And the integrations to them are natively built in. When you go outside and using other tools, the native integration between all of these apps are not there. And you need to use a tool like Zapier, which gets more complex. I'm trying to figure out how do you integrate everything together. And that is a pain. So I just wanted to stress that. This is why you're using Azure. And I'll spend a little bit more time in future discussions, kind of elaborating on that, the details, because, I made a career over 24 years, about to be 25 years of companies using other tools, and there's no integration. And then I'm coming in as an enterprise architect and building integration solutions between their different vendors of these applications. And it was very costly for these businesses. So anyway, wanted to stress that again. Hopefully you found some value out of this. Please click the like and the subscribe button if you find this video very helpful. Thanks so much for your time, and see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.